Home Depot on the daily chart, a series of higher highs and higher lows, currently trading up above this 200 moving average on the daily. Now looking at this pullback, look at the history of this chart, found other pullbacks similar in dollar amount. This pullback over here, very similar to the one experiencing right here. Now if you look on my channel, back on the 29th of July, we also went over this chart. Chart continues to the upside. This is the pocket of potential support I'm evaluating right around 388 and some change. I like to see if Home Depot can hold this level and gives me a trigger to go long on a 15-minute time frame. Now we do have earnings that's coming up on the 12th, so just be patient with this one. You want to see how price reacts to earnings announcements. If it can stay steady around this pocket of potential support, and then after earnings starts to bounce right out of it, then consider positioning going long. Now taking a quick look on the hourly chart, we're also trading below the 200 moving average, so set yourself an alert to make sure that price can push back up above the 200 moving average to confirm strength. Fundamentals are looking strong. 2022, 151 billion. 2023, 157 billion. 2024, 152 billion. We had that steady top line revenue and the company is profitable. In regards to what happened the last couple of months with different hurricanes in the United States, I expect people to be shopping a lot more at Home Depot and Lowe's. Hi everyone, John here. I recently put together a PDF on Fibonacci trading. You guys can check out the link in the descriptions below. I'll also put it in the comments. Have you subscribed to our YouTube channel? We go over setups in cryptocurrencies as well as US equities to help you grow your account. Subscribe now and hit that notification button. We look to hearing from you in the comments area.